Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to delay animation in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to delay the animation, just simply open your Canva application, and after opening the Canva application, you just simply have to create a design or select an existing design into your Canva. Then after selecting design, you just simply have to go into this animation section at first, and after going into the animation section, tap to the animation which you have activated. Then you will get the option of speed into here. You can delay the animation by decreasing the speed from this section, but in order to do that you will have to get premium version or the pro version of Canva. This way you can easily delay animation into your Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.